Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a poll in Instagram, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. It's a very easy process, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And here we go. What you're going to do is simply going to go ahead first access your Instagram. Once you have done that, this is how the interface is going to look like, and from over here simply go ahead, tap on this message icon on top right corner. Now from over here you will find the text messages. Now what you have to do is simply have to go ahead and search a group message. Once you have found a group message, you're simply going to go ahead, you will be able to tap on the message right there, and then you will simply have to go ahead, tap on this option of add. As soon as you tap on the add button, you will be able to find the option of poll. Simply go ahead, tap on the poll, and simply have to enter your question and your answer to create a poll. Simply go ahead, enter your question and enter your answer as well, and tap on confirm. Simply tap the create poll option and you're good to go. That's how you will be able to create a poll right over there, and you're good to go. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.